Now, as we go into this meditative moment, we sink further into the gratitude for the gratefulness of this divine presence, giving thanks for everything. Everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Whatever comes upon your mind, just to say thank you for that which seems to be oddly favorable or unfavorable. Thank you. We know that we love, and from love all things work together for our good. So I invite you to go even deeper. Find the well of gratitude and gratefulness. And from that wellspring of gratitude, thanksgiving, we spring forward, we spiral up, we come up, and again we say, thank you. We give glorious, glorious thanks for this life, for this community, for this energetic genius, which is unfolding, that we cannot see with the natural, we cannot hear with the natural, but those things that are happening on our behalf, that only God, the divine presence, can and will do. Thank you. And we say, Amen, and so it is.